Okay, this problem, x to the a plus 2 squared. So, looking at the structure, we have the parentheses with a power outside it. So in general, if I ever see that picture, a parentheses with a power outside of it, now I'm dealing with this situation where it's a power expression to a power. The rule, again, states this. We're supposed to take the inside power times the outside power. Notice, the inside power is a binomial. So the same kind of idea that I just mentioned a moment ago on the subtraction problem, where we had to subtract the powers. If I got to multiply this times this, I'm not just multiplying a times 2 or 2 times 2, but I'm multiplying the entire expression, a plus 2 times 2.
You're not multiplying it by itself?
Well, I'm multiplying x to the a plus 2 times itself, right? Let's imagine we're doing that. X to the a plus 2 times x to the a plus 2. This is what Braden's thinking, right? Yeah, I'm just applying this rule here, which says if I have this structure, I take the power times the power, so that's what I do.
Okay.
But x to the a plus 2 squared also means this, so we'll do it both ways.
Okay.
All right, so if I apply the rule that we know about, I just take the 2 times the a and the 2 times the 2. I'm going to get x to the 2a plus 4, right? And 2a plus 4 is really simple. Can't make it any simpler. No way to add them together. So that's the final answer. If instead we interpret it like Braden's saying, x to the a plus 2 squared means x to the a plus 2 times itself, we change it from a power to a power structure, this one, into the power expression times the same power expression where we add the powers, right? So if we change it to this structure, then we're going to add, so it's going to be a plus 2 plus a plus 2. A plus a is 2a, 2 plus 2 is 4. You get the same result. But again, the quicker way is just to apply this rule here. So anytime you have a power to a power situation, it's much easier just to multiply inside times outside power. Again, if binomials are present, you have to deal with them accordingly. Let me just show you a scenario that could happen before I deal with this topic again. Suppose I have x to the 2x, or let's say 2y minus 3 to the y minus 4. Let's say that's what we have. Or they might not even have parentheses around it. It might just be like that. Okay, but y minus 4 is up there, right? It's the power, right? All right. So I'm supposed to multiply this times this. So watch what happens. I get x to the 2y minus 3 times y minus 4. That's a binomial, both things in parentheses. In order to multiply these, I have to FOIL it. That could happen. It's not impossible, and it's within the abilities that you have learned in this class, so I wouldn't have any problem having a problem like that, either in a homework assignment or on a test. But again, you always multiply this power times that power completely. So if the powers are more than one object, put them in parentheses and multiply them appropriately. 2y times y is 2y squared. Outside negative 8y, inside negative 3y makes negative 11y. Last makes plus 12. That could happen. That's how you deal with it if it does happen.